HarbourMasters port of Banjo-Kazooie. Lead developer, Malkirian. Developers, Geok, Creladius. Discord, official Discord, invite link. If you're having any trouble after reading through this README, feel free to ask for help in the Lighthouse text channels. Please keep in mind that we do not condone piracy. Quick start. Lighthouse does not include any copyrighted assets. You are required to provide a supported copy of the game. 1. Verify your ROM dump. Any retail version listed below is supported. You can verify you have dumped a supported copy of the game by using the SHA-1 file. Checksum online. Bassarum SV10Z64, 1 February 63 million blah blah Bassarum SV11Z64, Dead 65 etc. Bassarum JPZ64, 907 etc. Bassarum PALS E64, BB359 etc. If you have multiple regions of the game and want to use them as language packs, see language packs below. 2. Verify your ROM is in Z64 format. Your ROM needs to be in Z64 format. If it's in N64 format, use the following to convert it to a Z64. 3. Download Lighthouse from releases. 4. Generating the ODR from the ROM and play. Windows. Extract every file from the zip into folder of your choosing. Run Lighthouse eggs and select your compatible ROM. Linux. Extract every file from the zip into folder of your choosing. Execute Lighthouse app image. You may have to chmod plus x the app image via terminal. Mac OS. Extract every file from the zip into folder of your choosing. Run Lighthouse and select your compatible ROM. Configuration. Lighthouse ships with a file with many standard controller mappings that can be used as is with most controllers. If your controller isn't recognized by Lighthouse or isn't working properly, you can create your own custom mapping using the built-in mapper in the settings menu. Default keyboard configuration, N64, A, B, Z, Start, Analog Stick, C buttons, D-pad keyboard, X, C, Z, Space, WASD, arrow keys, TFGH. Other shortcuts, key, Escape toggles the menu bar key, Control R resets key, F11 full screen key, Tab toggles alternate assets. Graphics backends. Currently there are 3 rendering APIs supported, DirectX 11 on Windows, OpenGL on all platforms, and Metal on Mac OS. You can change which API to use in the settings menu of the menu bar, which requires a restart. If you're having an issue with crashing, you can change the API in the Lighthouse CFG JSON file by finding the line backend : and changing the ID value to 2 and set the name to OpenGL. DirectX 11 with ID 1 is the default on Windows. Metal with ID 3 is the default on Mac OS. Language packs. Lighthouse supports using multiple regions of Banjo-Kazooie as language packs. Generate your base bk.o2r file and once Lighthouse has started, open the IMD menu. Under General-Languages, you will be able to select another ROM to extract as a language pack. PAL supports UK, French, and German, and Japanese adds Japanese support. After the language pack is generated, the language it brings will be added to the drop-down menu. ROM hacks. Many ROM hacks can be extracted from patched ROMs and used as mods with Lighthouse. This can be done in-game using the ROM hacks menu in the settings section. If any hack isn't fully supported, the menu should inform you when extracting the mod. Most supported ROM hacks currently haven't been fully tested, so there may still be some issues. Note, when using ROM hacks, only USV 1.0 is supported, inherited from Banjo's backpack. Therefore, it is recommended to use USV 1.0 as your base bk.o2r file. Custom assets. Custom assets are packed in O2R or OTR files. To use custom assets, place them in the mods folder. If you're interested in creating and packing your own custom asset O2R OTR files, check out the following tools: Retro OTR and O2R Generator, Fast64 Blender plugin. Note that BK64 is not supported at this time. Development. Building. If you want to manually compile Lighthouse, please consult the building instructions. Playtesting. If you want to playtest a continuous integration build, you can find them at the links below. Keep in mind that these are for playtesting only, and you will likely encounter bugs and possibly crashes. Windows zip, Mac OS zip, Linux zip. Special thanks, the Banjo Decamp team, Fred Amato, Scorched 11 for work on Rando.